Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an affidavit in Assam. First, you need to understand the specific purpose of your affidavit and its legal requirements. Next, gather all the essential documents and information that will be included. This foundational step ensures your affidavit is accurate and complete from the very beginning, setting you up for a smooth process. It's crucial to have everything ready before you start drafting the actual content. Once you have your information, draft the affidavit, ensuring it clearly states the deponent's details, the facts, and a solemn declaration. After drafting, you'll need to purchase non-judicial stamp paper. The value of this stamp paper varies, typically ranging from 10 rupees to 100 rupees or more, depending on the affidavit's specific purpose and the regulations in Assam. This is a vital legal requirement. With your draft ready and stamp paper acquired, the next crucial step is notarization. The deponent, which is you, must sign the affidavit in the physical presence of a notary public or an oath commissioner. They will verify your identity using a valid identification document. After confirming your identity and the contents, the notary or commissioner will attest the document with their official seal and signature, making it legally binding. Finally, after your affidavit has been properly attested, make sure to create several copies. You will need to submit the original document to the specific authority or department that requested it. It is always a good practice to retain at least 1 or 2 copies for your personal records and future reference. This ensures you have proof of submission and a record of the attested document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.